Ka Regional Committee na Meghalaya kabalalam khmat da uba Preston Tensong sembut Menteri Rangba ka Jela haringkat kidukhat jong ka Regional Committee na Assam kabalalam khmat da Menteri ka Sorkar Assam u Atul Bora mendagas ngi ka arpuar tarik naitung arajar arpulai kilai kenduk lang ha Assam State Guest House hakana para bakren syakilat pathai khubor u sembut Menteri Rangba ka Jela uba Preston Tensong ulayathu banakaliang ki Deputy Commissioner jong ki district na BAROH artli ki Jela kila wanra ya ki jing batai babnya halor kini ki benta khaput ki bakenthop ki benta ka West Dimoria ka nongwa mau temur bat ka bordua syu na kaliang usembut Menteri ke Jela ula ongru bagi komiti na BAROH artli ki Jela kinsyong perkhat biang ha ka arphusan tarik jong unailar uba Preston ula ongru bakalong ka ba banya hun lut BAROH HYNREI ngin hab bej na benta ka jing bha jong BAROH bat kalawai ka bansawan na margane ka KAM kabala sa ateng bha labun snem kumta na kaliang ka sorkar ka khmi lenti bagi pajba kin sno tilang bat ban PYNBEIT no ya kani ka KAM khaput na kaliang uba Preston ulayat huru basyan on sayo ban PYNBEIT yaki benta jong ka blok 2 hakawai pat ka benta u Menteri ka Sorkar Assam u Atul Bora ulaong bakkan sadon ka jinglet pej yaki katto kat neteli ki jaka da kini ki artli ki Regional Committee.
And we have 8 elders who are part of the executive committee to the committee. That is the history of the Gambia, which is very much regarded in this issue as of now. These are the few things that we have to bring. Even this house of Bonkai also, it is traditionally known as.
Isong ganang meeting hakapor katwe biji, hang ne apo gati ka state guest house, pedeng jongi na kaliang regional committee, jong kariboy, perangkat pat regional committee, kabalayalam deki angut ke minister, na kaliang jong Assam, iway Minister Betul Romba Atul Bora parway pat Master Patwari tinggal chong meeting mentakas nging la ya discuss nging la ka presentation ya kilai teli ki sektor ka bedeng ko gede ya des damria ka baar ka de ka nongwa mau tamur bat ka balai ka de ka podwa tinggal discuss ka baki DC kila ai la ka jong ka presentation dia ka makadung le sim ngarai bangin ria penduk biang haka arsan trik jong no penai agos haka bangin syong biang hang ni por janmit pad hadin nang ka haka arpnu trik pada step jong penai agos ngin le ya ka site inspection ya ka ni ke area ka badai jong ka des damria kata ketika bagi sim ngarai kong bad nang tangin sa persyang nang ni sakmat bad nang ya kenduk susu terter haka bangin pendep ya kada field inspection jongi ya ka bedang sa ya ka nongwa motomur bat kumjuhru ya ka baduar nang ta sakawai ka bedang sa kadeka blok 2 kaniru ka bedang sa ka bangin session namar ya ka blok 2 bade da u chairman jong the regional committee na kaliang kasang udai duwe pat minister punya ong o Pius Sasarika dengan saya kedua baru ka bangin ya penduk biang menetau lo manusyong biang kumni don benega join regional committee don mentakas ni kemau tak ngam ong bong bia hun mom bia hun kemau ba hakum kini ki isu kham tam ki bla slem ba de ki post nem de ki san post nem tam ban ong hi ban hun lut rum long ban num hun lut rum de ngi sim ya kai ka ba tam namar ko mo pi ngi hap ban su thu ki jisya la de ki sim ya karai ong pi ngin namla ban ngim namla ban resolve ya kan isu ka ba ko mo pi ka ban nakawi ka snem kadang mi sinang mi kadang snew de nakakadaw ko mo pi nila ai kin instruction ru lembaga discouncil ha ka ba UCM jo discouncil UEM milakau balong deputy CM ba persnganu ke don lang ang ne ke wan lang telong ngingil ai kin instruction na kaliang jong sulu bahkan pentip lepa ya kitu ki area kitu jaka lengba jong kia discouncil bakin pentip ya girang ma snong ya kisim dan ki sodar bakiru kin le la ka kam la ka jong ka benta ka jong ki pengnoban ban penting na ba aning la le mangi ya kata ka inspection ka joint inspection de mengi sele na ba kan dia bian ti ka kam
in a joint meeting of the Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya, it was resolved that regional committee will jointly visit to the border area and study the ground reality, and suggest measures to resolve the issues. Accordingly, we have discussed on disputed three areas, and we had a very good meeting, and we have decided to sit on 25th of August again. And before that, both DCs will visit the concerned areas, and they will do homework. After that, on 25th, we will sit again, and on 26th, we'll visit not all the areas, because it would be difficult to cover all the areas. We'll visit Desdimuria site. And today, the DCs, Deputy Commissioners, they gave PowerPoint presentation, and Deputy Commissioners from our side, both the Deputy Commissioner Metro and Rail were present, along with the Chairman of the Regional Committee, who is heading the Regional Committee of Boku side, Mr. Chandramohan Patwari, Honorable Minister. He was present, and Nandita Das MLA, who is member of the Regional Committee, she were present, and from Meghalaya side, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, he is heading both the committees, both the regional committees, and some other members, MLAs and other members, officials.